everyone, this is Ina with Innichkachef. Welcome to my kitchen. Today on episode I want to show how to make very quick meal out of your leftover mashed potato. Probably most of you who watching me have once a while leftover mashed potato. And what to do with mashed potatoes? The easy thing is shepherd pie. For this recipe we will need meat, and I'm using organic ground beef. You can use lamb, actually that would be my first choice, pork or really chicken, turkey, combination of all. Any meat, mashed potato, and the only thing I will do to this leftover mashed potato, I will add a little bit parmesan just for the more cheesiness or umami flavor, just a little bit. I don't want cheesy mashed potato, but I just want give it more flavor, and parmesan is the best way to enrich mashed potato. Also, I will add some thyme, fresh thyme. It's wonderful herb and it goes well here. And some eggs just to make more pliable mashed potato. If your mashed potato on the thinner side, you can skip on them. You can skip on the eggs. It's up to you. And classic vegetables, a trio, right? Onion, celery, and carrots. And we'll finish up with a little bit of garlic. Just tiny bit of olive oil. About 1 teaspoon of salt. And about half teaspoon of black pepper. Just a pinch. Almost cooked. The meat is nice and fragrant. My goodness, look at this garlic, so huge. Come on. Oh, smells really good. It's a good garlic. It's a good garlic. When it looks like almost cooked, I like to grate a little bit of this fresh garlic and turn off heat. Nice and juicy. And I like to use a little bit of thyme. Fresh thyme is the best. Oh yes. To the same pan, do not wash, leave all this goodness, all this flavor. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter. And about same amount of olive oil, 1 tablespoon. I just love combination olive oil and butter. I think it's the best when it's together. Onion, celery, and carrots. I think it's a little bit too much vegetables for this amount of meat, but never can be too much vegetable in my house. I think kids will love it. We love, especially carrots. Everyone fighting for carrots. Matrona and Joni, they love carrots. And Thomas too. Salt. About half teaspoon. Black pepper. About 1/4 teaspoon, and thyme. And it's cooked, but I like to deglaze to get all flavor and a little bit more juiciness. I love shepherd pie when it's juicy. Not too much water, but I like when it has a lot of juice, or I would say sauce or something. So I'm going to add some chicken stock. Little bit. If you don't have, use water. And the same as meat, I like to add to the end when it's almost done. A little bit of garlic. Smell amazing now. When the garlic hits the pan, it's always good. It always smells good. Come look. To this 2 days old mashed potato, it has plenty of butter and all good flavor. It's a dirty mashed potato, you see, with the skin. I usually like to keep skin on. I'm going to grate some Parmesan cheese. And 1 egg. Depends size of your egg, you can do 1 or 2 eggs. And depends of your mashed potato, of course. I'm not going to add salt or pepper because it's already seasoned very well. Plus, cheese has plenty of salt, so it's good as it is. To add egg, it's optional. It's up to you. Sometimes I do add, sometimes I don't. Seems like it's better whole shape when I pipe to just decorate my shepherd pie to make extra special. I love shepherd pie. It's such an easy and quick meal, and it's one pot. It's vegetable, carbs, and protein, and can suit everybody. And in fact, it's very good make ahead meal. So if you're planning to bring to someone like new mom to be or someone in a hospital, this is a good meal. And make 2. Put 1 in the freezer before baking, of course. Like now. Instead of baking, if you're not planning to eat right away, put in the freezer and then bake when you're ready to eat. It 375 degrees for about half hour, 40 minutes, or until it's nice and brown. Look at this. Half hour or 40 minutes and entire meal is ready. And if you make 2 for 1 ahead of time meal, it's even more fantastic. Let me show you how it's look inside. Look, it's nice and brown. The more juice the better, so the mashed potato can even soak more the juice and delicious flavor. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You should make it. You should make it. It's so good. It's so delicious, so easy to make. And please don't forget to make this for dinner tonight. And please give me like, subscribe, and share with your friends.